What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another banger, man. In today's video, we're gonna cut everything. We're not gonna say anything for the intro. We better get straight to it. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to cop the Yeezy 350 V2 ZYONs that are coming out this Saturday, July 18th. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to cop, where to cop, and resale predictions for this shoe. Make sure you guys stay tuned. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys do hit the subscribe button. We are growing, so make sure you guys do join the family. Make sure you also hit a like and comment down below how much do you think these shoes are gonna hit before even watching this video. What number, what price do you think these shoes are gonna hit? Alright guys, so this shoe is gonna be dropping on July 18th, this upcoming Saturday. And right now it's Tuesday, and I'm gonna upload this probably Wednesday, so you guys do have time. Now these are gonna be retailing for $220 US, and they're gonna be coming out in full family sizes, which is gonna be adults, kids, and toddlers and infants. And this shoe is rumored to have a lot of stock because it is going to be dropping across a whole lot of retailers. For example, it's going to be dropping on foot sites, regular Adidas and Yeezy, and Raffles. It's on a lot of websites, guys. So these shoes are going to have a lot of stock. So we do have a good chance at copying. Now I'm going to tell you guys the top 3 raffles, in my opinion, to get in for a chance to get these shoes. Alright guys, so the top 3 raffles that are going to give you the best chance at copying this shoe are going to be the Adidas raffle, the FLX raffle, and the Hibbett Sports raffle. And the reason why I say Adidas first is because Adidas is going to contain the most stock and will give you the greatest chance at copying these shoes. And the FLX, that just falls in second because it is your second greatest chance. And, you know, of course, Hibbett Sports. Those are the top 3 ones that I would focus on and focus on going after if you do want to cop these shoes. Alright guys, now we're going to move on to the best top 3 manual sites. And just letting you guys know that this does not include the Yeezy Supply and Adidas, because these sites are going to be dropping at 7 a.m. So these are mostly going to be the foot sites. And the foot sites I recommend focusing on are Dick's Sporting Goods, JD Sports, and Finish Line. And these are all going to be a waiting room style drop. And guys, the reason why I said Dick's Sporting Goods as first is because I did cop those 3 Yeezys. Those are the cinders. They dropped on Dick's Sporting Goods on the last cinder drop. Bro, Dick's Sporting Goods is such a cook. I might pop up the screenshot right here. I could have caught 5 pairs, but I was, you know what I'm saying, I was trying to take it light on that job. I was trying to take it light because the profits wasn't looking too good. I was like, yeah, I ain't gonna. But hey man, I'm about to go hard on these because these are hype. And that's the reason why I recommend Dick's Sporting Goods, because of my personal success. That doesn't mean that you're gonna have success with this drop or that I might even have success with Dick's Sporting Goods. But I just know that they have a greater chance of copying, and they do contain a lot of stock on their website, especially because the in-store thing is getting kind of cut down a little bit. So there is gonna be a lot more stock. So I do recommend primarily focus on Dick's Sporting Goods at those 7 a.m. EST drops. And at 10 a.m. of course you guys know Yeezy Supply is going to be dropping. Yeezy Supply is rumored to have a lot of stock on these shoes. They're rumored to have a lot of stock. I've heard people talk about 200K, 150. There's a lot of stock supposed to be on Yeezy Supply. And it's going to be in all family sizing. So, you know, of course just focus on the men's, because the little kids and all that crap over there, now that's not going to be paying, you feel me? Make sure you guys focus on the adults. It's gonna be a lot of stock, good chances. Wake up at 10 a.m., 7 a.m. for the foot sites, 10 a.m. for Yeezy Supply. There's also other stores that are gonna be dropping at 10 a.m. The other stores are gonna be DTLR, Jimmy Jazz, Nordstrom's, Snipes, and Shoe Palace. All them stores, but you probably gonna catch a fat ass, especially Shoe Palace, because Shoe Palace is cheeks, you feel me? So make sure you guys just focus on Yeezy Supply and those other foot sites ahead of time. Alright guys, so initial estimated resale is going to be around $270 to $300 US. Now, I'm talking about initial, like maybe like the first few months after getting these shoes, because they are going to drop after retail, or like after like the drop date. But if you do hold these for maybe 6 months out, maybe a year out, these could go as high as $400. I do see that because these are very hype. So make sure you guys do hold these as long as you can, possible, depending on your capital situation, to get the most profit out of these shoes. Because if you do try to sell right away, you aren't gonna get that much out of these shoes. Now, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys do leave a like, comment, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate all the support. And make sure you leave a comment down below saying where do you think these shoes are gonna hit resale wise. And yeah, guys, me and boy.